Hi students, in this video I'm going to go over the second to last problem, which is right here on the example side of your notes. This one is showing you that you're going to have all of these three parts to the 1/3 power. So we can apply the rule of power to power, or power of a power. And what this means is that we're going to look at the exponents for each and distribute this 1/3 into each. So it's going to look like 108 1 times 1/3, A 5 times 1/3, and B 3 times 1/3. When we simplify this, we are going to end up with 1 times 1/3, which is just 1/3. So 108 to the 1/3 power can technically also become cube root of 108. So whichever way it's easier for you, just keep an eye on about the 1/3. Here we have 5 times 1/3, so 5 times 1 is 5, 5 divided by 3 is 5/3, which ends up being the fraction for that A. B is multiplying 3 times 1/3, 3 over 1 times 1/3 equals 1. So technically it's 3 over 3, which equals 1. And that's what we want. We want to simplify each part, and when we have simplified it, we now put it together. So 5 over 3 is technically saying the cube root of a to the 5th power, which means that in here you have 5a. So we can start writing it like this. Cube root of 108, a. So that's 5 a's. And then the b value is just 1. The 108 though, let's break that down also to see if there are numbers that we can take out that are in here 3 times themselves. So 108 seems to be the answer if we multiply 12 times, 12 times 9. So 12 times 9 is 108. And then if we break down the 12, that's 3 times 4, and 9 is 3 times 3. So as soon as I did this, I realized that this one is the factor that is in here 3 times. So we're going to have the 3, 3, 3, 4 for the 108, and then the A 5 times, and then the B. And to finalize this, you want to remove it in groups of 3s. That's what the third root is. So this is a group. These 3 A's are a group. And that's it. When we take out these groups, we're going to have them as single, just one number out here, 3, and then just the letter A. So that takes away these, and we're left with 3a cube root of 4a squared b, because there are 2 a's remaining. You can also jump straight into this answer from the fraction version of this by realizing that 5 over 3 is pretty much 5 a's that want to be in the cube root. So you could just divide 5 into 3. 3 goes into 5 one time, and there's a 2 of a remainder. So here's where that looks. A is 1 time, and 2 is the remainder. Then for the b's, well, the b is just 1/3 technically. Actually, it's not. So the b is not even in here. The b is just on the outside now, because there's no exponent here. So if we take out the b, technically, this is what we have left. 3ab cube root 4a squared. And I believe this will be the answer. And sorry about the typo with the b. I overlooked that 3 times 1/3 creates a whole number of 1, which results in the b not being in the radical, just being outside of the radical as a whole number technically. I hope this video helped you. There's, just like I said, a lot of ways to get to the answer, and this was just one of them, and I'll just explain one just to make the video short. All right, I hope this video helps you.